So, for the second time in my life, let's see if I can delicately pick this up here. A bird has flew into my side mirror. Oh, yep, got glass on me now. That's exciting. It flew right into my glass mirror in the car. The first time it smacked up against the window, and it broke against the window. In a different car, by the way. So don't think that this specific car is just attracting birds. The first time it happened, I had no idea what happened. I had no idea what happened at all. I turned around. I thought I hit something. Turns out somebody turned around with me, dying laughing. Oh my gosh, it was a bird. It was a bird. So fucking funny to them. And I'm just like, wow. Ouch. I can cry. Now, my window's down this time. And the mirror flew inside. I mean, the bird almost ended up inside of the car with me. So with all that being said, I keep looking at the mirror like it exists. What the fuck is the Bird Box movie about? Because birds be crossing me all the time. Every time I'm driving, birds get really close to the front of my car. Now, I don't be hitting them driving. These motherfuckers will drive themselves. You know how the bird goes like this? Swoop. They will swoop themselves into my mirror. Is my windows clean? You know, Windex commercial style? I don't know. Do they see the food? And I don't know. I don't know. Look here, car. You need to wait your turn. Which is now after me. But now there's glass in my car sporadically.